All right.
Yep,
I knew you'd do something like that.
Something goofy.
Yep. No,
Okay.
I like it. Quentin, welcome.
Yes,
Paul
sir.
here. We're at Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana. New Martin D15E, right?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
Well, it's a D15, and
Yeah.
it definitely has some E components, right?
So what this is, it's a road series from Martin.
Mhm.
Okay, their road series. And it's Sapele back and sides with some sort of, it's a mahogany top. Some sort of like, I don't know how they forest it or something, but some sort of special mahogany top. Got the Martin E1 pickup in it. You got volume tone.
Yeah,
It's
little
cool.
magic tuner that only
the
you
tuner
see.
down there. Yep.
And
So-
your handy dandy plug-in right here, I'm feeling.
Yep.
Is that it? Gotcha.
Yep.
Sapele,
Sapele.
back and sides,
Very
but,
much like
but
mahogany.
actual mahogany on the top, right?
That's what it says.
Okay. It's very cool. I like some of the decor on this. What's the fretboard?
The fretboard I thought was Indian rosewood, but because look at it here, but I don't know. You know, it could be.
No, it looks way lighter.
Yeah, I
though,
know it
doesn't
does on the fretboard for
But
sure.
of course, with
the
all
bridge
stains,
looks
it
like
can be
rosewood.
whatever it is. And then it's just subtly appointed.
It's if it's not a rosewood, it's some sort of like pau ferro or something like that. I bet.
I've never even heard that word
Pau
before you
ferro.
said it.
Yeah.
I thought this
Yeah.
wasn't that an actor or
I like saying
a
that.
long time
Pau-
an actress. Long
Pau
time
This is
ago?
the old traditional D15, made in Pennsylvania. Classic model. This one and the 0015M is like one of our best-selling guitars. So this one is your classic, all mahogany, all solid wood. These are both all solid woods, and this one's definitely Indian on the fingerboard and bridge. It's a classic though. Now, these are both like mahogany tops, so they're not like it's not like a D18 where you know they're a little bit darker, but fun, warmer.
I always think of. I mean, I like to me the sound is how they look. It's almost like caramely.
Yeah.
It's rich
Yeah.
and dark and thick.
They do sound kind of like they look.
All right, let me see this thing. Now this one
So just a
does not have the pickup.
No pickup.
Right? So so it's a little bit bigger
It's
in
got some
opener
depth, yeah.
because it doesn't I always figure that if you have a pickup inside,
yeah.
that again it's just we talk about the weight.
There's more stuff on there.
It's like you
Yeah.
know, it weighs down the guitar from moving, it absorbs.
You can feel that one for sure. And these are two different price points. you
Yeah.
know. Not
This
a lot
one-
different, but it's a good.
So this one plays really well. You can plug and play.
Yeah.
You got the add little feature.
Yeah.
This one
Yeah.
it's
Boom.
bigger. It's bigger.
Yeah.
see that
And this
guy
one
again.
with the pickup in it, you kind of want it to be a little bit
Less
less big.
boomy because
yeah.
you're going to feed back like crazy. Still
Yeah.
plenty
Yeah.
sound, and it's got a nice wide natural acoustic profile.
Nice.
Different price points though,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. Made in the USA. This one's made in the Mexico factory. Quentin King right there. Martin, D15E. Thanks for being here, Quentin. Thanks for watching.
You bet.